What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and in this video, we're going to look at the GoKoo watch that I've been wearing. I got this watch back in January. I believe it was January of last year, January of this year, I think it was. Yeah, and this watch right here is actually a pretty nice watch. The reason I use this watch, and I've been using this watch since January almost every day, because the battery life is really good. Now, you guys know that I have a ton of smartwatches, and this watch right here actually is the least intuitive. I don't really like the menu, the way it's set up. It's not a touch screen. It only has this one button down here that you can barely see. It's very faint, it's a little circle. And you tap that button and it takes you to each menu. In order to get out of each menu, you have to long press. So if I wanted to go into this menu right here, I could go ahead and it'll take my heart rate, and it's loading it now. And then after I'm done with this, you do a long press to get out. You do a long press to navigate through this device. So there's my heart rate. It says right now it's 84, 83. I'm talking right now, so it's probably going to be a little bit higher, but there it is, 81. And then you hit the button, and I'm still in this portion right here. This is the main menu. So to go to messages, I would long press there. Blood pressure, same thing. This watch right here isn't the best for navigation. However, it is definitely good for battery life and counting your steps and things like that. I don't know why my steps show 0. I just linked it up to the app to show you the app, and I think that's what did it. But I use an app called The Fit. It's very, very strange. The app is right here. Yeah, I think that's what happened. Once I set it up to this, it deleted all my steps for today. But this app is very simple and cut and dry. It's nothing spectacular. It syncs up with your, as you can see, it already synced my heart rate that I just did. So the syncing on it is really nice. The app is easy to use. But more importantly, the reason I've been using this watch the most, and here's the box that it comes in, just in case you were wondering. I did a review on this a long time ago. You get 2 bands in there. You get this sports band, and you also get a more elegant looking band. It's a metal band. But you know, this watch it's really good on battery. I'll link it down below. It's called the GoKoo fitness smartwatch, or the M11 is what it'll be called the official name is probably called the M11. But I've seen this watch in many different names on different products, but this is just happened to be the one that I have, and it's named the GoKoo. So when you hit that link in the description, you'll see this is exactly what I have. It's a very affordable watch too. But I'm just really impressed with the battery life. You can easily go a couple of weeks with this battery life or more. And so when I go on a trip for the weekend or something like that, this watch really plays a part, man. It's really that good. I haven't charged this battery since, maybe 5 days ago or so, maybe 3 to 5 days ago. And you can see it still shows full. So if you want to see the actual battery percentage, you can come over to the app, and it'll tell you under watch right here that I'm actually at 89%. So that lets you know. You can change the watch faces and all that, but I didn't get it for that. And there's not very many to choose from at that. So I wanted to give you a follow-up on this watch here. Some of you guys have been wondering, what watch is that? What watch is that? Now, yes, I do have some other watches that are way more powerful, and they do more. But for what I'm using it for at the moment, steps is all I'm counting, and my, heart rate and stuff like that. So the fact that this affordable watch has those options is impressive. So this is the GoKoo fitness watch after like 4 months, pretty much. It's holding strong, and the battery life is still ridiculous, man. It's your man Jay. I'll link this down below. No kickbacks or anything like that. I just wanted to show you guys who are asking about this watch. This is what it is. It's just a brand that you probably never heard of, but it is actually a really good watch. Like I said, I just don't like the way it navigates the menus. But other than that, it's beast mode.